Hello friends, welcome to the new lecture on water requirement of crops. In continuation with earlier lectures, we will see how the assessment of canal revenue is done. So let us start. Irrigation projects are constructed and owned by the government. As a token of revenue, water charges are collected by all state governments in the form of water rate, surcharge on land revenue, irrigation cess, etc. There are various methods of assessment of canal revenue. Assessment on area basis, volumetric assessment, assessment on seasonal basis, composite rate assessment, permanent assessment or betterment levy basis. So let us understand each one method one by one. Starting with the assessment on area basis. Almost all the canal irrigated lands in the country are assessed for irrigation charges on area basis. The charges are levied on the actually irrigated area. The charges are fixed crop wise. Drawbacks of this system are wasteful use of water. It encourages intensive irrigation rather than extensive irrigation. Irrigators in head reaches of the canal draw more water and tail irrigator suffers in this case. Second method is volumetric assessment. In this method, charges are levied on the basis of actual volume of water supplied at the outlet head. It requires installation of numerous water meters. Most economical use of water in the field leads to more extent of irrigation area. Now this particular method has several advantages, like it is the most economical, it provides most economical use of water in the field. It assures minimum wastage of water. It leads to extensive irrigation and shortfall in the supply can be located. However, this method has several disadvantages also, like it has higher initial cost, tendency on the part of cultivators to draw water in unauthorized manner to avoid the charges. Problems of silt and debris occurs in this particular type of assessment. Assessment on seasonal basis. The assessment is based on the kind of crop grown in the particular area in the crop season. This method is not used in India. Then composite rate assessment. Combined land revenue and water tax are levied from the cultivators. It is not much common method of assessment. And lastly, permanent assessment or betterment levy basis. In area where canals are provided as insurance against drought, the farmers are levied at a fixed rate every year, irrespective of the fact whether or not they use the canal water. In drought year, the farmers are allowed to draw canal supplies without paying charges extra to normal betterment levy. So these are in general the methods of assessment of canal revenue. In India, the area basis method is most popular method of assessment of canal revenue. I hope you have understood the terminologies. I expect you to go through these standard references. If you are having any doubt, please contact me on my email address dnpaitankar@sanjeevani.org.in. Thank you for listening. Happy learning.